Backwoods of Georgia wave return. Look at me, Super Duck Bodine in Georgia. How you go ahead?
I'm looking. Hey, Jethro. I'm looking. Hello, Jethro Bodine. I'm looking right at you, saying aloha, smiling, brega.
Right here, hey, babe. Put a grin on my chin, doggone it. I ain't keyed this chunk of them, doggone 2 months. I'm glad to hear my stuff's still working a little bit. Doug, what kind of copy this old antique doggone the 1983 amplifier? Why I look like down that way, Super Doug? You're sounding good so loud around the backwoods you about make my ears bleed. How's this old homemade plant this antique amplifier sound your way? Go ahead.
While you're looking some kind of top choice, while I throw it right there, right back. My 2950 Cambiga, I got maybe 2 bars left with Cambiga 4 bar dead swing on your, dead key on your side. And I got like maybe 1 or 2 bars left on the top of my Cambiga radio there. Go ahead.
Alright, you will ain't got a lot of swing, ain't got much dead key. That's about it right there. That's all she's gonna do. Appreciate the RC. You're in a row. You got about 30 pounds on you this way. Super loud. Sounds so doggone good. So loud you about make me mad. Super Duck. Jethro in Georgia. Hillbilly Radio Backwoods. Aloha.
Alright, well that hillbilly radio is working out there. Hey, Jethro Bodine. I got the gate rolling and you looking in some kind of top shape. Jethro Bodine. Old Super Duck said that. Quack.
Hey, Super Duck, I can't stay. I just come down here in the basement to grab something and kind of got sidetracked. Off the key on the side I go. I wish you well. A good de-exit. Where that radio sounds, you ain't got no problem. Super Duck, take care. Tell them I always said howdy if that doggone if I can still make the trip. Duck around the east side, Big Island. Look at here. Jethro in Georgia, gone again. Aloha.
Wow, man, while you walking all by yourself. Hey, Jethro Bodine, you walking all by yourself, brother. When you key that thing up, there is no bumblebees, there is nobody but you. It ain't all about the swing, it's all about the modulation and the audio thing. Alright, Mr. Jethro Bodine, go back to doing what you're doing because you forgot what you was doing. I do that all the time. Take care, Mr. Bodine. Old Super Duck out here, we're standing by.
Super Duck. Man, that radio sound good. Radio sounds big. Thank you all over again. Till next time. Super Duck, thank you. Pleasure could eat it right there around the mini grass, and let's do this again when we can, Duck. Jethro Bodine, just quit. I'll see you. Bye.
Alright, man, till the next time Mother Nature rolls around and does it in fine style like she's doing it right about now. Mr. Bodine, aloha to you. Mahalo for the contact, man. It was a beautiful one. It's always a pleasure doing a double broken spoken most golden measure with you while I get a little bit of tongue-tied twisted out here around the mini grass. Mr. Jethro Bodine, old Super Duck, saying aloha to you, brother. Next time, quack.
How about you, Super Duck? How about that Super Duck? Be a bucket, Super Duck, be a bucket, come on.
Hey, Bill Bucket, you changed your handle from Bill Money to Bill Bucket? You got a bucket full? Hey, Bill Bucket, you got a bucket full?
Yeah. Bucket running over, pull to the top, bucket of beer to the top there, are you?
Well, I'm out here drinking my joint, smoking my beer, talking to you. It's a beautiful thing there, Tevor.
No pain, no strain, the more the merrier, that's it.
Well, I'm out here riding my bicycle. I got my hard hat on, and I got my steel whip on a magnet mount on my hard hat. I'm cruising my bicycle. Aloha.
Bicycle doing some talking. Bicycle doing some talking. All I can say is, you say you on your bicycle, that bicycle doing some talking there, aren't you?
Got to ride my bicycle. Hey, beer bucket. Out here, beer drinker. Oh, shoots, man. Joint smoking. I had to swallow that one. Drinking my joint, smoking my beer. Waving aloha to ya. Quack, quack.
Alright, quack, quack, take care, man. You hear my friend Omar squad out there telling Beer Bucket, say hello and how to do. Y'all take care, all a good time game. Beer Bucket going 10-7, gonna watch the news, see what the world going on. Take care, quack, quack, 400, Papa Charlie, all the good time gang around the mini grass. Beer Bucket 10-7, but only after quack, quack, wrap it up.
Bye, beer money, beer money. Hey, beer money. Beer smokers waving aloha to ya. Quack, quack.
Hey, quack, quack. I could use some beer money, but it's Beer Bucket. Beer Bucket, 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 bucket. Beer Bucket, quack, quack. I saw you.
Alright, Captain. Alright, beer bucket. I stand corrected. You know how that goes, man. When you've been smoking as many beers and drinking as many joints as I have, it's all a good fun thing. Alright, beer bucket. Aloha. Quack, quack.
Aloha, no doubt about it. Take care. Well, I understand, man. I understand about them beers, doggone it. One just won't do it, and a dozen is almost too much. Take care, quack, quack. Beer Bucket 10-7. I see you. Golden numbers your way.
Likewise, 8s are away, 73s, man. All the way around the house from the smallest to the tallest. Send them Super Ducks love, and I'll talk at you next round. Beer Bucket, Super Duck, gone. Super Duck, look at open. Hello out there, Freight Train. Hey, Freight Train, I got you in there that round. Hello, Freight Train. Super Ducks waving right there, right back. Quack, quack.
Hey, Super Duck, I just wanted to say, hey, cause you sounded so good in Louisiana. That Super Duck ain't your preacher, so preacher ain't going out the middle of the road. No lodge on Super Duck, preacher, go. Aloha.
Hey, preacher. Hey, preacher. Why do you have to clean up my receipt like that? What's wrong with you? Shame, shame, shame. It's a beautiful thing. Quack, quack.
Hey, Super Duck, tell Freight Train preacher man say he been derailed. Hey, Super Duck, tell Freight Train that preacher man say he done been derailed. By Super Duck, preacher man with this derailing station in the Bayou Country's gone.
You mean to tell me you derailed Freight Train? You want me to tell Freight Train that you derailed him working your derailing station? Well, I think I just did it out there. All right, preacher man, I passed that golden coconut for you there. Go ahead.
And I appreciate you, and I say thank you. Take me to take care. I'm going to say aloha and mahalo from the Bayou Country. Bye, Super Duck, preacher man with this derailing station in the Bayou Country. It's gone now.
All right, preacher man, aloha. Quack, quack. I'm out of here. Aloha, brother. Quack, quack.
Bye, Super Duck. Bye, Papa Charlie. I heard both of you, big brother. Hey, Papa Charlie, I didn't hear you till Super Duck got off that mall. Bye, Super Duck, with your mean old bad self. Bye, Papa Charlie. Preacher man on this great big derailing station is gone. 29, the Bayou Dog. Hey, Super Duck 39 in the Bayou. Hello, Super Duck 39 in the Bayou, baby.
Hello out there, 39 in the Bayou, standing by.
Hotel Roger, Super Duck, appreciate it on that end. I just want to wave a small hand. Super Duck 39, Mobile, got down.
39, that Mobile coming out of the Bayou. Mother Nature's doing a hula right about now. Hey, 39 in the Bayou, aloha to ya. Number 6 in the grass, old Super Duck City. Quack, quack.
Hey, Super Duck, you got the one that blows up in grass straight down. Hey, Super Duck, hey, the whole girl got a glass straight down. What do you know? Hey, Super Duck, I want to know if them girls got a glass straight Super Dog 29, one of them girls at the ground. Super Dog 520. Super Dog 520, mate.
And out there, 520, number 6, right there, right back. Aloha to you, brother. Yeah, at 520. Aloha to you, man. Sonny, so gonna top shape. I like the way you clean up my receiving end. 520. Aloha to you. Quack, quack.
By you, though. Yeah, number 6. Keep on with it, keep it on, big brother. You're cracking that grand style in the great big bam. Number 6. 520 and all the bam said bye, 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 bye.
Aloha, quackity quack.